Hello everyone. It seems that stream is starting. Hopefully no audio loop. It's now playing ads, and new update is verifying. So I'm just going to quickly go through what I did yesterday to import a bunch of assets. First thing first, if you have animation starter pack, it's free on community market. You should download it and then I added this to my project. It contains a mannequin and other animation available. And then I also created content example for 4.9 because my block prototype is in 4.9. Okay, update finished. I'm just going to really quickly go through it. So with that, there is several pretty cool asset inside content example, which I will roughly go through it because yesterday's archive have some audio feedback issue where I accidentally turned on the audio for Twitch. So I'm just going to go through this really quick. So if you create a project with content example, it provides a bunch of pre-built assets like a particle effects, animation, and like a controllable pawn, and literally just a lot of things that was built and ready to go. So you don't have to do something. For example, in the audio example, there is a sound basics. If I play this sound, you'll see it's something like a fire, and say this would be something like a water sound, and then there's some electrical. Not this one. Maybe this one. Oh, not this one at all. What? This one? Yeah, electrical sound. So, and that's the sound one. And then say in effects, example content, audio effects, particle system. See, there is this all sort of a particle system where you can just look at this guy, open level, and then go to effects, and then there is a bunch of pre-built particle system you can use. So I import migrate several of them to my other project, and say for animation, there is also animation level you can use. For example, like this guy, I'm just going to play here and go all the way back. I think this guy, it already have a M, where end space animation. It has pretty good locomotion animation level for you, and it blends really well with closing and everything on top of it, and have pretty cool shader. This guy is called Owen, and you can kind of migrate this one to your own. This guy is really cool. I hope I can see it's really cool character. So you can actually just select this guy. I'm just doing C example, find in content browser, right click asset, and then migrate to your asset folder. That's it. So for example, I'll just say okay, and then select my VR Jam 1 content, hit OK, and it'll copy it to my project. So that's that. So hopefully if you have anything you think you can reuse, you can definitely find something from this content example project. It's pretty useful, and if you're new to Unreal Engine, definitely go through all the example. That's that. Okay, I'm going to switch and then launch the VR Jam from my Steam client. Hello viewer. Hello. I'm currently waiting for it to start, and that should be it. And make sure it's proper, and then switch back. Okay, so now here we are at my level. So let's open my own level, VR Jam, and let's make sure Steam controller still works proper. Start it. Oh. Okay, cool. And now let's do a quick play and see what we did last week. Oh, damn it. So last week we last week we did this where the object will automatically spawn after the timer finished. 3, 2, 1, 0, spawn. Yeah, like that. But I move it ahead to try explain what I would do. But last week it was more like this. Wait. Okay, so I need to maybe change this a little bit forward. Okay, let's play again with Steam controller. So I can like go ahead and then just punch those guys out. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. Well, it's pretty deceptive how far this thing goes. Go away. Let's see if we can punch it. Oh, too late. Nope, too late. One spawn. Yeah, hit it. Cool. Oh man, that's going to be bad. Can it still spawn after I kill my proper cube? Oh, it does spawn. Cool. I didn't know that could happen. So this is my spherical right hand. So let's see if I can pick up one of this guy. It's kind of hard without actual motion controller. Ooh. No, don't go away from me. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, almost there. Damn it. Yeah, nope. Doesn't work. Still have to wait for Vive to come. Oh, man. Will it explode? Come on, guys. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Maybe I should create something called like a long mower simulator. No, just clear. This is a pretty awful game for people with OCD, like just cube not stacking and properly. Get out of the way. Yep. So let's wait until they all stack up. So today I'm going to implement a few more things, and let's see how things goes. It's like kind of freeform development. The physics actually works quite well. That's kind of surprising. Oh, on top of that, that reminds myself I have to add a minimum spawn time. Oops, to this. So I need to create a minimum spawn time for my spawner. So let's go to blueprint, spawner, and time to next spawn. Max time gap. I should create and say there should be another float, and this will be our spawn mean time gap. Oh, damn it. So that being said, where is my spawn timer? Time to so here is our random float. This should return the range from 0 to 1. We have minimum, which I think default could be just 2 seconds. Let's compile and set the default. And let's get it. This should be also editable and exposed on spawn. What's the bleeping sound? Sorry, I hear some bleeping sound. I have to check what happened. Whoopsie, I'm back. So it appears that my wife is baking something and the timer ended, so it starts beeping, which is a good thing. So for this, since it's 0 to 1, we are going to do a linear interplay. Lerp lerp yeah, so like that. So that way we just use minimum, maximum, and this as our actual spawn value. Now that, what's our max? 60, that's way too much. 10, actually 5. Compile, and let's see what this do. Yeah, 10, let's change this to 5. Save, play. So now this should at least minimum 2 seconds, but maximum is 5 seconds. So it doesn't like spawn and then spawn again and then spawn again, which seems quite reasonable. Cool, seems to be working. Punch, punch. Oh, that was quite dramatic. Now let's see what kind of thing I brought in our library from content example. So we do have some effects. We have, I think in blueprint communication we have some fireballs. Yeah, projectile fireball and projectile water. Let's see if we can shoot this off from our controller. So to do that, since we are doing like some really simple thing, VR pawn. Okay, now we have to kind of properly organize it. This commented. This is for the camera orientation. Should update to use HMD. And where is this? Okay, this is, oh no, not the top one. This is our hand representation. Should replace with motion controller. Let's put it somewhere so we know this is VR input related. And what's this? Let's delete this guy. This is the basic stuff. This is the like a character palm movement. Palm movement should be using HMD location projected to ground. Okay, so we have all the things we wanted here. Now to spawn something, we need to bind the action to a key. The trigger button is already how far away we want to reach, but at the end of at the end of the trigger of Steam controller, there is another button you can click. So we are just going to use that. So to make it more obvious, like, or easier, like you're kind of shooting your hand outside and then it'll shoot a fireball. And that would be what's alright, I have to bring up the Steam controller interface. Hopefully this is not too slow now. Oh, you know what, let's save everything first. Oh yeah, what, where can I that's odd. That's odd. Where is the configuration menu? Oh, that's really weird. I don't know what I bind to. So somehow it's kind of broken. Let's save this. I'll transition off screen to close my window and see if that's properly done. That's so weird. So big picture mode seems to do things just fine. Open. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's working now. Transitioned. So we need to make sure. Oh la la la. So apparently while streaming this caused some problem. Let's see if I can use this. Yeah, it's super slow because of the overlay. Controller configuration. Come on, come on, come on. It was super slow. The heck? This is really bad. I'll transition off to adjust the setting before I transition back again. The It's really bad. Also because it's not. Ah, come on. It's super slow. I don't know why the recent update kind of break this. The first 2 times I streaming, it was working properly. That's really frustrating. So this. Okay. It's working now. After I turn it off, I'm just going to this. Full pull action, left trigger. Soft pull action. Okay, so so right now it's directly mapped to left trigger. I'm going to map it to left mouse click, and this is left trigger. So the soft pull, it will be left trigger, and full pull will be left mouse. And let's do the same for right trigger. Soft pull is right trigger, and full pull is right mouse. Cool. Return. Let's see if this works proper first. Let's transition back, and let's hit play. So we can still do this. The soft pull still works. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. That works properly. Now we have that set. Let's go to project settings and edit some input to action. And this will be fire cast fireball, and that was cast water ball. And this will be mouse left button, and this will be mouse. No, usually this should be the right hand, right? So let's use mouse right button, and water will be mouse left button. Cool, that's all done. Now go to our VIA pawn. Well, usually input should not be in a pawn, but since we are doing prototype, it's kind of okay. So cast fireball. And cast water ball. So when it's pressed, we want to emit fireball. So we should just spawn actor from class, and this would be our fireball, BB projectile fireball. Click. And there is a transform which would be dealt with later. We want to also maybe have some sort of like a fire rate-ish thing going, but that's fine. Collision handle. Ignore collision. Transform. So transform should be our cube. Should be our cube's world transform. Get world transform, and let's do that. Let's see if this works. Sorry if I put my screen too far away. Hit play. So I think it's the right hand. What happened? Oh, it's cube. Nope. Need to use right hand sphere, not cube. Delete. Projectile fireball. Instigator is self. Owner is self. Okay. Let's see if this helped to not self collision. Nope, it collided by itself. But I can already cast fireball. Cast fireball. Cast fireball. Okay, but we need to make it go further away and not collide to ourselves, because we do have a collision. Dun, dun, dun. Velocity is X and Z. That's kind of fine. But what do we have to avoid collision then? Collision. So the collision preset is custom. Ignore visibility camera, blocked by static, overlap dynamic physics body, and step on to collision preset. What? So begin play, begin overlap, then destroy actor. So, oh, this is water. Elemental image. So we actually need to do a branch. Get owner if equal to other actor, then branch so we should only hit when it's not owner. Compile and play. Okay. Now obviously the direction is a little bit off because it kind of still shoot forward. What happens if I go this direction? Oh, at least it's not too crazy because it actually does shoot where I'm facing toward, but the direction is not correct. Maybe we could change it a little bit. But that's the case, it's not overlapping now. So we also need to change the fireball, the water ball as well. So this whole thing, go to water, paste, and only false should go there. That's it, done. Now the begin play velocity, it would just set whatever the transform is up to. So since our cube okay, so since our cube does not rotate accordingly, we might have to do something with it, because otherwise the spawn is the same. So Let's copy this housing, and then we could use cube as that water. So that should give us water, right? Did I not? Get all there. Alright, there is an equal here. I need to connect. So water shoot. It's super easy, dude. Cool. Now let's fix the transform properly. So I'll go back to our VR form. Sphere is not rotated, so if we do anything on the touchpad, it only changes location but not orientation. So what we need to do is also update the orientation. Say cube set. Well, first thing first, let's see what we can get from get. Sorry, let's see what we can get from get. Actually, okay, actually it's quite interesting. Let's open our level and test it out. Open, let's close this. Open level, VR Jam, open, save, and then play. So I want to see how accurate the so see, it's kind of diagonal toward where my transform is. So is a water ball. Boom, 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 boom. So it's kind of weird. There's one thing I think is different when you actually have a 3D motion controller, is you know exactly where it's going to be. But for this, if I shoot directly from my character and then extend to so like that. That's like directly in front. Somehow it's still rotating toward the center no matter where I am, right? And if I put it to the top, it's the same. Put it to the bottom, it's still kind of try to shoot the same area, which is quite interesting. Huh. Cool. Ah. Go. 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 And I should create an explosion when it's dying. Let's do just that. This is when it's going to die. Then there should be physics, add impulse, radial force. So radius is say 64 unit. Strength is 20 for of constant. What's this? Collision. Yep. Cool. Let's try this. Oh, what's this one? Fireball. Yeah. Obviously 64 is not enough. There's basically nothing. Oh, maybe we have to do it before this reactor. And let's make it bigger. Strands 500, radius 150, 120. Cool. Why? That's interesting. Add an impulse to all rich bodies in this component. Probably not. I want to have some sort of explosive effects on everything. So okay, let's say add radial force and add radial impulse. What's the difference? Location will be the same. Radius 128. Strands 5. I'm just going to put 5,000 or 50,000. Compile, play. Is there something outside? Yep. What? That's interesting. So what if it's other component? No? Apply red dot damage. What does this do? Base damage, base radius. Doesn't do shit. Is 128 too small? Let's just put to 500. Let's put another 20. It's totally weird. So it just explodes without actually doing anything. Yep, nope, that's something wrong. No, this doesn't seem right. Let's see. So probably I could not spawn anything within here, but maybe in a game mode. So let's see if that's true. Delete, and let's return this to normal for now. So where's my game mode? Yeah, edit new game mode. And so let's see what can we do for physics here. Only is simulating physics. Can I not spawn physics? Explosion. So we can add a radar force component. And what can we do from this return component? World dynamic. And fire impulse. So let's do this. And then destroy actor. But before that, we might want to set and set radius. So this would be 500, 5000, whatever, and 128. Let's see if this works. Oh. Seems to be something. What? No, it's not doing something. Oh, it is doing something. Just the strength is really small. Holy crap! I'm already at 500,000. Let's get more. Let's do 100 times more force. Can we push this away? No. No, it's not creating any physics force. I'm doing something wrong. I am doing something wrong. Physics, physics, physics. Add angular. In this component. This is something weird. So we can just do this. For 100,000. I know. Doing the same thing over and over again to expect different results. That's weird. So it doesn't go this route. Okay, let's do print, hit. Oh right, but doesn't matter. It would. Doesn't matter if it's overlap or that static. And this would just say hit dynamic or overlap. That's so weird. We should put this behind so it doesn't spam the overlapping message. However, I can't move this away. This is insane. That's big enough, right? Nope. I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh shit. Hair dryer. Sorry about that. 5. That's 2 and representation. Sorry if I read your comment a little bit slower. Sometimes I get too focused on this. That's really weird. I remember it being really simple to just add it impulse. Oh, I thought maybe it's because I cannot create something with empty code. So, if this is related to change, which is wrong. I don't think that's how we affect, I don't think that's how we affect the incoming object. Sorry if you can still hear hair dryer. That it should be gone in a bit. And then I will turn off filter so my voice become normal again. Do something. So let's just check off context sensitive and just say false. So we want it to be a component. And let's just do something with camera. And
This is explore, and we will take one input which is location, and this should be the workspace location. It is 500, strength 500,000. In this container. Target exchange this container. No, this is wrong. It's wrong. Hmm. I think that it's this container. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I'm going to check document. So wait for me a little bit. Hmm. So switch back and into feature, physics simulation. Mm-hmm. Nope, this is not what we want. Hmm. Oh, wait. Is it because my block doesn't react to... Is it because my block doesn't react to its input? Could be. Yeah, this makes me should maybe seems to behave a little bit differently. Move on to field not quite affected by the radar force. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, so for example, let's go ahead and begin that. Oh yeah, you do not have right now.
Content example. Let's check physics with radar force. Open level. Physics. Open. Simulation. Radar force. What's this? This is a radar force actor. Thrusters. Those are not what I want. Stop. So this. This actor. What? There's two. Oh, there's another one. Here. Oh, okay. Doesn't matter. We want to find out this one. Oh. So you kind of need to spawn a radar force actor. See like how strong this thing is? I don't even know, like there should be a... Oh, so it's just like a simple radar force actor? Cool, let's do that. Go back to your jam and I think it's in our file. We're just going to spawn actor from class. We can delete these two things. Create a force actor. Oh no. Well, you know what? Maybe I should inherit it so I don't have to do everything inside here. I'm just going to clear explosion actor blueprint. So I'm going to clear blueprint class and radar force actor. Select explosion. So that's cool. Oh, 11 o'clock. Let's make it happen. Event graph. We have a force component which is inherited. Actually, we should use construction. Set what? Oh, this is sprite component. What the heck? No wonder. There should be a radius and set force in set impulse strength. So we need 2 of this. And variable, get 2 of them. One is radius. It should be float. And this will be float and in impulse strengths. Get no, I don't want to index now. That should be it. Oh, and then well, I already need to set transform, so that's fine. Compile and begin play. We will just fire impulse. And after firing burst, we just destroy ourselves. Destroy. Acta. So it is just like being a one-time event. And then here we'll just do explosion. Alright, I need to editable expose on spawn. Editable expose on spawn. Alright, and then I have to also I have to also set the affected type. No? So basically world dynamic and physics body. Like that. So yeah, we just have to do radius 128, strands 5000. Transform should be just a location. Make transform. Get world. Yeah, might as well use this. Owner is self. Instigator is this as well. Compile, play. Oh, why is it flying around? Oh, now it's exploding. Now it's proper. Finally. Need to get more. Now I wonder, maybe I can just get rid of the collision guy and just delete this guy. Yeah, because there's no event graph to worry about. Yep. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that's way too much. Explosion. Yep, that's too much. Let's tweak it down to 1. Let's see how that happens. Yeah, explosion. Woohoo! Snipe it. Nope, nope, nope. Air snipe. 1. No, too fast. 1, 0. No, too fast. No. Get out of the way. No. No. Shit. I want to hit it in there. Ah, damn it. Now I can kind of understand why this is interesting to do in VR. Because it's kind of interesting. But no. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Imagine you can do this like with proper controller. Oh yeah. Boom. 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 That. Yes. No. That's such a fail. Oh. No. It's too far away. No. Oh. Oh my god. How? It's like if I do it closer, it's actually not. Okay, cool. At least we know what the force do. I guess I'll stop my streaming today. It's fun. We'll get more things to come next week. Tomorrow I will just continue streaming my like an older puzzle block prototype game. It's actually on YouTube. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. I still, like everyone else, doesn't get my vibe yet. And thanks for tuning in, by the way. Always remember to save everything, just in case. So if you don't know about it, I use a Steam controller, and left is mimicking whatever the future left motion controller is. Right is mimicking the right controller, and left we can already spawn a kind of water ball-ish thing. So it's like that. Maybe I should move for like that. And then if I hold the left pedal button, I can use the gyro to look around, which is pretty useful. And like the explosion, we just figure out how to do this. So yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, sniping those cubes. You can actually change. But like, this is obviously not as good as actual doing VRs, because then I can just use the orientation of motion controller. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next week. I'll do Monday and Tuesday for VR Jam, and then Wednesday continue my old game. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.